Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn off vibration on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings, and here you need to get into Sounds and Haptics. Then you can scroll down to the very bottom, and right here you can find different options that controls vibration on your device. The first one is on the very bottom. It calls System Haptics. You can toggle it off. Also, there are two more options here: Play Haptics in Ring mode and Play Haptics in Silent mode. You can also toggle them off. After that, let's move on to the next step. It's a keyboard feedback. You can enter it, and there, if haptic option enabled, here you can hit at that switcher to toggle off haptic feedback for your keyboard. Now we can go back to Sounds and Haptics, and then we can scroll up where we can find Sounds and Haptics patterns. That box we can enter in each of that features. Let's say the first one, ringtone, and then scroll down to the very bottom where, not to the very bottom, but right there, vibration. So we can hit at vibration, at ringtone, and then right here at the very bottom hit at none to toggle off vibration for your ringtone. After that you can go back and right there go through all of that features like text tone, new voicemail, new mail, and others, and in each of that features you can find that vibration option. You can get into it, and then at the very bottom you can select none, so that means that vibration for that feature is toggled off, and also you can customize that option. So if you don't want to completely toggle off vibration for all the features on your entire iPhone, you can disable vibration mode just for some specific features. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.